Hi, welcome to Fratello InnoTech, your ultimate destination for learning latest technologies.
Hello everyone, welcome to this session on validating the response in Postman using test scripts. So in this session we will learn how to verify API responses automatically using the simple Postman test scripts. So here validating the responses in Postman that ensures that the API behaves as expected and returns the correct data. So here key components of validation: response status code means verify the status code written by the server, and response body we have to validate. So check the content and structure of the response body, and response time that measures the time taken by the server to respond. So here we have to use to writing the scripts. So we have to use after response. So here we are writing that scripts after response we are using. So means after receiving the API response in Postman, we can use test script to validate whether the response is correct or not. So we can check the status code here, status code, and we can validate the response body, so whether it is in JSON or not. So we can check whether key or value exists, and we can validate the response time here. So we can also validate this response time. So Postman displays the test results as pass or fail. Here it shows the test results pass or fail. This helps us identify API issues quickly. So now I'm going to write the validation for response status code. So here response status code validation checks whether API returns expected HTTP status code or not. So it helps verify whether the API request was successful or failed. So common status codes include 200 OK, 201 created, and 400 bad request, and 401 unauthorized, so and 404 not found. So in Postman, so we can validate status code using the test scripts. So this validation helps ensures that the API is working correctly and handling request as expected. So here we have to use that pm.test. So status code is 200, and function we have to use it is in JavaScript. So pm means Postman. So now I'm writing this JavaScript code in Postman. So test script. So use that after response. So here when we send the requested URL, we are validating this response. So just write that code. So pm dot test, and here I am testing that status code is 200. Status code is 200 or not. So I use function, then close. So open the curly brace. So here pm dot response to have pm dot response to have status code status 200. So write that. So here pm dot response to have status 200. So then close. So this is the script I have written. So pm dot status codes 200. Here I am verifying that status code, so whether it is 200 or not. So just I am sending this script. See that? So it shows that status code is 200. So this is all about validating the API responses with the test script. So we can quickly confirm that our APIs are working as expected, and this makes API testing more accurate and reliable and efficient. So here we have verified that status code is 200. So in next class we'll see that response time. Thank you.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for live updates. Please visit www.fratelloinitech.com for more courses.